Hey guys, it's Nevada Conley. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and how easy it is to get started with affiliate marketing. I'm going to take you to my computer here in just a minute and kind of go over some things with you and show you exactly how it works and some of the systems that I am currently using to get started with affiliate marketing. So the kind of the basics of affiliate marketing is just that you basically find a service or a product and you market that product. And then when somebody buys that product through you, you get a referral fee or a commission from that product for whoever it was that made that product or service. So that's what's so amazing about being an affiliate marketer is that you don't actually have to come up with a product and sell it and deal with the customer service and deal with the returns and all of that. Or the same with like any services, you don't have to deal with any of the customer service. Once you make the sale, you're done. So it's really just all about marketing other people's products and services, and you just get to make the commission. So it's really is pretty simple, pretty easy once you get your systems all down and going. So let's go ahead and head to the computer and I will show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, hey guys. So affiliate marketing for beginners. So this is what I was talking about, those 4 steps that you need to get started with affiliate marketing. So step 1 is basically just finding a product or service that you want to promote. Now you're probably asking, where do I find those products or services? Well, just about every company has actually an affiliate program. So the most common one is actually Amazon. Amazon is probably one of the biggest affiliate markets out there. So pretty much you can go to Amazon, find any product and become an affiliate. And then anytime somebody clicks on that link to go to Amazon and they purchase, I think it's within 24 hours, you make a commission off of whatever they've bought. Even if it's whatever you were marketing, they clicked on your link and it took them to that page, but they decided they didn't want to purchase that. If they had other things in their cart that they decided to purchase that day and they purchase it under your link, you make a commission off of whatever it is that they've actually purchased that day. So let me show you really quick, actually. If we go to Amazon, let's just go to Amazon and I'll show you how you can actually sign up, be an affiliate. So if you go amazon.com, and then if we scroll all the way down to the bottom of Amazon, right down here, let's see, it should say, oh, right up here. So right here, become an affiliate. So you just click on become an affiliate and then it takes you through the process of applying basically to be an affiliate. And the only thing that kind of can throw you off is that they ask for a website. But if you have any form of social media, so like your Facebook page, you could put your Facebook in there as your website, or like I just used my YouTube channel as my website. So you don't actually have to have like a physical website. You can just use any of your social media platforms too, and they typically will accept it. So then once you become an affiliate, then when you sign into Amazon, there will be, like a separate little area up top where it says you can find your, link. We're going to search, I don't know, like, let's just say weights. If you're in the weight dumbbell set, let's say you're, in the health and wellness niche, and you are looking to promote some weightlifting sets, like let's just say you have this weightlifting set here, and you on your video you are showing how you like this weight set and that you're using it and blah blah blah. And so you can say just get the link below my video and check out this weight set. So then this up here, this Amazon Associate Stripe. So this is where you actually get your link that people can click on and take them to Amazon. And then when they buy it, you get that referral fee or, your commission basically for whatever it is that they purchased. So to get the link, you would just come right up here and click on text. And then this is the actual link that you would, you just copy and paste this short link. You can get the full link too, but that one, you know, it's a little bit crazy. It's the, you know, kind of the raw link there. So this shortened down link, you just copy and paste that, and then you just put that into, you know, wherever it is you are displaying your, you know, your ad. And then people click on that and it takes them to Amazon. And if they purchase, you get the percentage. Now, Amazon's percentages aren't super high. So it's cool, but then, you know, some of the other places you can look for offers are like ClickBank, JVZoo, those ClickBank, JVZoo, those are other places where you can find other products and services. And now their commissions are a lot higher. You can make anywhere from like 40 to 80% on your commissions. So, but making sure that you find a product or a service that really resonates with you. So something that, you know, that you actually are passionate about or that you've used, so that, you know, when you start building relationships with people and you start, you know, giving value to what you're saying, people trust you. And so you want to make sure that you're not just promoting anything and everything. You want to make sure that you actually like the products that you're promoting or that you've actually used them, just so that, you know, you just don't want to be one of those people that's just out there promoting anything and everything just to try to make a buck, because then your sales will actually probably go down because people are realizing that you're not actually promoting good products. So just make sure it's something that resonates with you or that you're passionate about, or that it's something you've actually used. So then step 2 is you're going to create a capture or landing page. So these are basically just 2-page websites that you basically capture somebody's email, and then that sends them to a thank you page. So I use Clickfunnels is what I use to create those sales funnels, is basically what they're called. And I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check out Clickfunnels. You actually get a 14-day free trial. So full disclosure, that's an affiliate link. So if you click on that and you end up getting the free 14-day trial, and then you end up buying the monthly subscription for it, I actually make, so I'll make a commission off of that monthly membership fee, basically. And so that is also what is so cool about affiliate marketing, is that then that becomes a monthly subscription. So it doesn't get any more passive income than that, to just be making money every time somebody renews that subscription because they clicked on your link one time and purchased. So anyways, so you basically create, and I'll kind of go over this in more detail here at the end, but you basically just create these two pages, a capture page and a thank you page, and then you send them to the offer. And then once they go to the offer, your job's done, right? It's then that company's job to make the actual sale. So you're just trying to get them to click and capture their email, because then once you have your email, then you can follow up with them for a while after. It's called what we call a follow-up series. So then you're emailing them every day, every other day, just telling them how great the product is, and, you know, giving them more information on that. And then that's where actually you start to make your money, is in the follow-up, because not everybody's going to buy on the first try, right? A lot of people have to see it 7 or 8 different times before they're actually going to buy something. And so that's where that follow-up is so important. So again, I'll on the computer here, I'll show you exactly how that works. I'll kind of draw it out for you. And so then step 3 is connecting with that email autoresponder. So like I talked about, that follow-up email, that's all automatic. So you set it up one time, and then it just automatically goes out. So it's not like every time somebody clicks on something, you get a notification saying, hey, you need to email them. It automatically happens. So you set it up one time and then it goes automatically. So again, I use Aweber. It's been working great for me. So again, I'll put a link in the description down below if you guys are interested in checking out Aweber. And then step 4 is
you have to, once you have all that set up, you have to drive traffic to that capture page, landing page, right? So how do you do that? How do you drive traffic? So there are free ways to do it. There are paid ways to do it. The free ways are, any sort of social media. So Instagram, you can create just a free Instagram page and start posting content on whatever, niche that you're in. And then in the link above, you always just say, see the link in my bio to learn more, or, something like that. So you can use Instagram. You can do the same thing with Facebook. You can create a Facebook page and use Facebook. YouTube is a great one. Blogging is another great one. So all of those are just free, free sources for you to get your content out there and start, and start creating that following so that people get to know you and want to know what content you're putting out. And then, the more people you get, the more people you have, the more traffic you get, basically. And then there's also paid traffic. So this would be more like ads. So Facebook ads, there's a thing called solo ads, the Bing PPC, you can do ads on YouTube. So that's just basically anything that you're paying for your traffic to, you're paying to get traffic to your website or your capture and landing page. So let me just show you really quick what I'm talking about when, just kind of put it into a little bit of perspective. So landing pages. So this is going to be your, landing page. Let's see if I can make this work for me. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Oh, okay. So that small landing page. And then this is your thank you page. So let's just write this in there. So this is your landing. Oh, that's so big. Let's see, let's make this smaller. So landing page, capture page, or, even email, email capture. This is just where you're collecting emails. And so then once you get their email, you're basically, this is where you're just catching people's attention and telling them why they need your product, how you can help them solve whatever problem it is that your product, is helping them solve. So they go there and then they put in their email and it takes them to the thank you page. So then your thank you page is basically just, saying thanks for clicking, a little bit about yourself, and then, push the button below to watch the video on, the product it is that you're promoting. However, so this is the important part. So then once they've gone through this phase, well, okay, so then the thank you page, and then it takes them to the offer, right? Offer or the sales page. So this isn't anything that you have to do. They just click the link and you attach the link to this sales video. So then once they've given your email, it goes straight down here into your email autoresponder. And so that's when this is where, the automation comes in. So then you automatically start sending out emails to them, follow-up emails. And they and it's not anything that you have to, like I was saying, it's all automatic. So you don't actually have to do that. And then let's just put right up here. So this is your follow-up emails. And so again, this is where you where it becomes important to get that email, because not everybody's going to buy on what we call the front end. It's a lot of times it's in that follow-up where they actually end up making the sale once they've seen your offer 6, 7, 8 times. And so so landing page, and then they put in their email, that goes straight down into your follow-up emails. And then so from the landing page, then it goes to the thank you page, and then that takes them to the offer. And that's pretty much it. And so then again, all of your traffic that you're creating, so this is all of your traffic over here. So you've got any of, like I was saying, any of the free traffic, any of the paid traffic. So like this one up here, is if you wanted to do YouTube here, that's one source of traffic. If you wanted to do a blog, that's another source of traffic. And then, any sort of social media, another source of traffic. And so again, guys, this just all funnels back to your landing page. And so it just, everything comes right back to here. So again, they go to your landing page and then it shoots them down into their follow-up emails and the thank you and then the offer. And then it's just kind of, rinse and repeat. And then, this offer can always change too. So once these guys get through their follow-up series, then you can start sending them other offers as well. Like if they weren't interested in your first offer, then, you find another offer in your niche and see if they're interested in that one. And you can email them about that one. So this is where it gets pretty cool too, is once your email list starts getting up into, the thousands, 4, 5, 6, and even higher, that one email blast that you send out once a day, if your commission on that one offer is $100 and you blast that out to say 5,000 people, do the math. I mean, you only need I don't even know what percentage, 1% of 5,000 is what, 500? So $500 for one email. I mean, that's pretty good. So that's where it gets really cool, is just once you get going, and it does take a minute to get started. I mean, you're not going to be making, huge bucks day one, but I mean, even after just, a week or so, you could be getting sales already. I mean, it's pretty cool. Affiliate marketing is pretty cool. So anyways, so that is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. And so just driving traffic. So again, I mean, the keys are, making sure that you're finding a product that really resonates with you, that you are passionate about, and that you can continue to create content about. And so, for me, what I'm actually promoting right now is Entre, which is the program that I went through that helped me get started online. And I loved it. And so that's what I am promoting. It was so helpful, step-by-step instructions. It was really, really great. And so that is the main product that I am promoting right now. And then, some of my side products are, going to be Clickfunnels and Aweber. And again, they're all products that I'm using. And, I'm also going to, I also want to talk about, just as a beginner, some of the things that are easy to get started with, especially for like YouTube and stuff. I bought this desk, not expensive, but it works fabulously. And, the stand that I bought, everything I bought was off of Amazon. So again, go ahead and click on those links down below and just see what I'm using. And I have this, fancy little clicker here that can, start my videos and take my pictures. And again, all stuff that's pretty inexpensive to get started for beginners. So if you guys are interested, click those links below, help me out, help support the channel and what I'm doing. Yeah, just let me know, leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions, or if, you are trying to get started online and what's worked best for you. And so, yeah, thanks again, guys. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, that bell notification. I really appreciate all of you guys and helping support me on my journey. Okay, thanks, guys. Have a good one.